Go ahead, take a look. So
Oh, my
I'll
goodness.
kind of walk you through everything. We did the custom embroidery for you with the elk heads facing each other.
So cool.
And then the embroidery on the console lid. We debated on which way we faced that embroidery on the console lid, but we thought we wanted north facing towards the windshield. So,
Awesome.
you know, the way you're going.
North is up.
So you got the black ostrich insert with the black multi-cam trim, and then you got your front pistol pocket there. That detaches. You can tear the whole thing off. Take it inside with you. It holds your pistol and 2 magazines on one on each side.
That looks so cool. That makes the truck. Like the interior is just, it's a different truck.
Now put your keys back on the console where they
Okay.
And then in the back, so what we did
This is what I'm most excited about.
it turned out really good. We did a special ops package. So the nice thing about the special ops package, right now it's sealed up. But if you undo these pockets, and you can actually Velcro them behind there, you can slide your a rifle going across on the top, and you can do a rifle on the bottom as well.
Yeah, that's gonna be so nice.
And so when you're not using it, just pull that flap back. That's gonna be your rifle scatter. You just slide your rifle in there, and go all the way through. And again, those pockets will seal back in on themselves, so get out of your way. You still have access to all your storage underneath. We cover it all the way down on the underneath side, so it protects your seat underneath there as well.
Wow. Man, that's a completely different truck now.
Looks
Like,
different.